Congratulations, you've made an excellent choice today by investing in AdPlify, and you're all set to unlock a new level of Facebook ads, both for yourself and for your clients. After you start implementing AdPlify, your ad costs are going to fall and your conversions are going to increase because you'll be targeting your customers more effectively. I know you're looking forward to getting into action right away. So are we. We have set up your access and everything is ready in the members area to get you moving forward. Your training is also ready for you to come in and start learning the awesome things that you can do with AdPlify. But before you get started, we want to take a few minutes of your time to show you some really incredible add-ons and products that can help you take your business forward faster. What we have for you here is 100% exclusive. This stuff is only for action takers. We don't even tell the non-action takers that this exists. So please put aside anything that might distract and pay attention for the next few minutes. The first thing that we have on this page for you is the Pro version of AdPlify. This is a powerful upgrade to your AdPlify Elite that will turn it into a success monster. We are talking 10xing the impact. AdPlify Pro unlocks 10 powerful new upgrades that will make AdPlify truly amazing. So if you are or want to be a true professional, you need every one of these. The first thing you get is the capability to track ads from 50 pages. If you're going to work for others and provide agency services, you need all this power. You can do it with just 5. It's a no-brainer. Just one customer can pay out what extra you will pay today to get 10x the ad tracking. Second, AdPlify Pro lets you do behavioral retargeting for 50 pages. Again, if you're going to start off an agency and work for others, having all this power is an absolute necessity. You're going to run out of behavioral retargeting slots after the first 3 customers. What will you do next? Refuse the rest? Don't turn away revenue. You should upgrade to AdPlify Pro right now and make sure your business can host as many clients as it can get. Imagine what you can do when no audience, no interest is hidden from you. How much more effectively will you be able to run your campaigns? AdPlify Pro 10x's everything. Your email list to audience quota is 10x too. You can connect 100 lists to audiences and totally automate your audience building from your autoresponders. Plus, you also get 2 years of free upgrades. You know how fast internet marketing technology changes. We make sure our software are well maintained and keep up with everything. But if you don't sign up for Pro, you'll get only 1 year of these free upgrades. Next year, you'll have to pay all over. You buy insurance, don't you? Well, AdPlify Pro is your insurance against market changes. Go pro and protect your business. Every one of these upgrades is reason enough to get AdPlify Pro, but there's more. Go pro now, and we will also give you a ready-made sales page for your client recruitment. This is a complete landing page that you can just put your buy button on and upload to the web. It will make it super easy for you to turn visitors into buyers. Plus, you also get amazing training that will unlock a 100% new traffic source for you. We have used the methods outlined in the training to retarget and add a huge addition to our bottom line. So don't waste any more time on this page. Scroll down and get your AdPlify Pro. Your investment is 100% secure. If you don't like AdPlify Pro, tell us within 30 days of the purchase and we will give you a full refund without any hassle at all. Keep being an action taker. Click on the button below and make AdPlify Pro all yours.